So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can fully verify your newly created Exness account, and most importantly, how to deposit money to your Exness account so you can start your trading. So once you've created your Exness account, then the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Exness account. So after you sign into your Exness account, then you'll be required to verify your account. After you do your verification, then you can then deposit to your Exness account so that you can now start trading. So I have already done all this, so that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So let me just sign into my Exness account here. Before I proceed, you can also do this on the Exness app. So you can go to your Play Store or your App Store, just download the Exness mobile app. Then you just simply log into the mobile app and also deposit and verify. It's the same thing. So my Exness account is already verified, but let me just show you the process to do your verification, because when you log in for the first time, yours won't display like this. The system will ask you to verify your account, and that verification requires that you add your phone number, which they are going to verify your phone number. Then most importantly, they will require you to submit your ID card and a proof of address. So you do that in your profile page. If I just click on this menu icon, you see, then just scroll down a bit, just come to this settings, see under settings, just click on your profile here. On my profile, you can see that my account says fully verified. So yours, if you just open your account, it won't show like this. It will show you for you to complete the three steps. So like I said, the first step is for you to add your full name and your phone number. All right, then once you do that, then the second step will be for you to upload your ID card. Okay, so Exness has a very simple verification system. So you can just add your NIM slip or even your NIM number, and their system will automatically verify it. And if you have other ID card like your driver's license, Nigerian passport, or your voter's card, or your national ID card, okay, the physical card, they also accept it. And once you upload it or you just enter your NIM number, within 15 minutes, your account will be fully verified for the ID card. So the final step will be the address verification. And for you to do that, you just simply need to get a copy of your bank account statement. Just go to your bank to print a statement for you. Or you can even do it from your app. Okay, the one I did, I just simply logged into my app. They accepted my app, downloaded a bank statement from. Go to your bank app, just request for the maybe bank statement of like last few days, and just download it as a PDF document. Then you upload it into your Exness account here and just submit it. Within 10-15 minutes, they will verify it and your account will be fully approved. So once you've completed your verification and your account profile is now showing like this, fully verified, 3/3 step, then you can then go back to this menu icon here and just scroll up. Then you click on my account. So at this point now is to make a deposit. Okay, you see I already have $10 on my account. Okay, but I'm also going to make another deposit for you to see how to do it yourself. Just click on this deposit button here. Okay, so you see this is the deposit page, and Exness has a wide variety of different methods you can use to deposit money to your Exness account. But from my experience, it's good to use a method that you use to deposit and you use that same method to withdraw. So the simple method I recommend you to use is crypto method. So you can see we have online bank transfer, online bank card, have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neteller, Square, okay, Tron. So you see we have crypto methods here. So what I recommend you to do is you can use any crypto method you want to use, but for ease, I recommend you use USDT. Okay, and USDT now is very popular in Nigeria. So you can see that Exness have the USDT, all the major network, BIP20, ERC20, and TRC20. So you can use any of them you want to use, okay? But for me, let me just use this USDT BIP20 because the fee to send BIP20 is very, very low compared to TRC20 or the ERC20. So if you just click on this USDT BIP20, you can see the system says USDT BIP20 deposit MT5. You can see my account. So the money will go straight to my MetaTrader 5 account, which already has a balance of $10. Just click on continue. Okay, so I'll just simply send the USDT to this address. But before I do the transaction, I must let you know that on Exness, the minimum you can send is 10 USDT. If you send less than that amount, your money may not be credited and you will need to contact their customer support. So I'll just simply copy my USDT BIP20 address here. Then I'll go to my wallet and just send. So at this point, if you don't have USDT in your wallet and you want to buy a USDT that you can now use to deposit to your Exness account, then you can use our platform here. Our platform is called soget.com. You can see our website here, soget.com. So what we do on Soget is that Soget is a digital currency exchanger in Nigeria. So you can actually buy USDT from us directly and you get the USDT sent to your wallet. So once you want to do that, you just simply log into our platform here. But if you are doing it for the first time, then you will need to register an account on Soget. So after you register an account on Soget, then you can then sign in to your Soget account with your email and password. All this takes less than 2 minutes. So once you sign into your Soget account, you will just see a button. Just click on buy a USDT. Okay, then you select the network you want to buy. Then you see our company account number. You just make a transfer to the account and you submit your USDT wallet address to us. So we will just receive your order and within 5 minutes, your USDT wallet will credit it instantly with the amount you buy. On our platform too, the minimum USDT you can buy is $10. If it's Binance you are using or Trust Wallet, you receive it in your wallet. So from there, you can then use it to transfer to your Exness account. Or even if you don't have a crypto wallet, you can simply give us your Exness USDT address directly from your Exness and just submit it to us here on Soget when you want to make the payment. So we'll just fund the address directly and the money will be credited straight to your Exness account. So let me go back to my Exness account here. So let me just copy my Exness USDT address. So now I'll then go to my Binance and send the money. So let me go to my Binance wallet. Okay, my friend, so you can see I'm logged into my Binance. So let me just make the transfer to the Exness USDT address. So I'll just click on withdraw, just send. Okay, I'll just enter the address. I'll select the network, BIP20. So let me do 11.01. I'll click on withdraw. Okay, because Binance will take a fee of 0.01 USDT. So $11 will be credited to my Exness account. So once everything is okay, just click on confirm here. So you can see Binance says withdrawal processing. Okay guys, you can see I received an email from Binance. It says USDT withdrawal successful, meaning that they've sent the USDT already to my Exness. So let me go to my Exness wallet again. So I'll just go back to my dashboard. I'll just go back to my account. Just go to my account here. Now you can see, guys, you see my account balance now is 21 USD. So this is just how you deposit to your Exness account using a USDT. Okay, so let me also check my MetaTrader. So you can see this is my Exness MetaTrader 5. So I'll just come here to trade. Now you see my balance is $21. Okay, if I go to history, you also see here on my MetaTrader history, $11 was deposited. You can see the time. So this is how you deposit to your Exness. All right, and from here you can then resume your trading. So that's the process, guys. And so guys, please don't forget, if you want to buy USDT to credit your Exness wallet, you can always use our platform here, soget.com, to purchase your USDT instantly and your USDT wallet or your Exness wallet to be credited instantly. So thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.